Good morning and welcome back to the farm. I've just been shopping and I'm just unloading the van and I just wanted to show you something. It's so silly, but it's so freaking exciting to me and my little world. Her bonnet's up, she's fine. There was a flashing light. Oh, that's probably really windy. There was a flashing light on the way home. I think she was getting a little bit hot. I don't know, I can't actually remember all her flashing lights. Anyway, here she is. So like I say, I've just been shopping. And I bought some chicken that was reduced because it was free range chicken. So when I find it reduced, I like to buy it and stick it in the freezer. But look, I just went to the supermarket and I put my reduced free range chicken breasts and free range chicken thighs in my fridge because my car has a fridge in it. How freaking cool is that? Oh, I love this thing. It's wicked. Isn't that the coolest thing? Like, why don't we have little fridges like that with solar panels in our cars? So when we go shopping in the morning, you can be out all day and know that your chicken thighs aren't going to poison you. It's brilliant. I don't know why I've never done that in a car before. Anyway, I'm going to keep the fridge switched on because A, it's a nice sunny day, so it'll be constantly be getting juiced up from that. But also B, I'm going to a friend's for lunch. My friend has some woodland and I need to go and get some footage of the bluebells that are out in her woods. So I thought I would stick the camera on today. I do need to shoot into the office in a little while and just get some editing done. But I thought the rest of the time, I thought I might just take you along with me on my day and yeah, show off that very cool fridge. Literally cool. So I have been sleeping in Myrtle the last 2 nights. I'm probably going to sleep in here again tonight. She's not finished yet, as you can see. Maybe you can't. Yes, you can. I've still got work to do in here, but that's fine. But I've been kipping in here on my own because I just want to get my sleeping system right, and it hasn't been. The first night I slept in here, I had an awful night. Oh, that's the fridge making that noise. It's actually quite loud. Anyway, the first night I slept in here, it was really bad. It was way too hot. I was in my Arctic, the clue is in the name, army sleeping bag, and the cat was in here with me and neither of us had a good night. So the second night, last night, I slept with a duvet and like lying on a sheet on the plastic seating, and it was a much better night. Thankfully I did sleep better, but it still wasn't a great night. So I'm going to try a different way tonight because it's been so long since I've actually really hung out in Myrtle. So I just want to know that when I do go off kipping her, then I'm just going to get a really sound night's sleep. And next week I am planning to go on a little adventure in Cornwall, which I'm very much looking forward to. I did have a trip planned before the bank holiday that we've just had, and we're in half term at the moment. But there was a horrendous storm and the campsite that I had booked was actually on top of a cliff. And I just bottled it and stayed at home and lit a fire and cuddled the cat instead. Oh, talking of which, look who's come to visit. Hi, Sassy. She's wondering what that noise is. That cupboard's making a noise, Sassy. Anyway, so I'm going to now go and get that in the fridge and I'm going to do my editing that I need to do, and then I am going to prep some lunch for me and my buddy, and I'll pick you up there, I guess. I'll see you in a bit. Yes, that's me using my fridge again. And no, I absolutely do not need to use it, but I'm going to because it's there and it's fabulous. It's time to head off and meet my lovely friend Angie, who's got the woodland and all the bluebells. And I promise you, you're going to love this. This is my mad mate Angie. And she actually lives in that Land Rover. I will give you a tour. Hopefully it's not full of stuff. If she's driven down to the bottom of the woods, it probably means it's full of washing. So you might not be able to get a tour today, but you will get a tour, I promise. So she's also vegan, which is why we've got a whole lot of no meat going on this lunch.
Well,
hello.
I did have a shower 3 days ago, so I'm vaguely
That's quite
clean.
good for you.
It is good for me. Wow, this is looking yummy.
Oh, I should hope so. Everyone, this is Angie. Oh, we can't see your face, chicken.
Yes, we can.
Can we?
We can see more than enough of this face. Just clean it up a little bit.
Angie lives in an old Land Rover in the woods. She does that with tomato tops. Am I not allowed to throw tomato tops in your woods?
For sure. I've just
Oops.
given the look. Right.
You were giving the look. I got the look, man.
Yeah, well.
I think that might work. Okay, candid wisdom. So we've got this amazing cranberry and pumpkin seed bread, which is going to be devoured. That is really good. We've got the salad that I just made, tomatoes and pistachios, and some red pepper hummus. Oh, and some strawberries. And that's it. Enjoy. Bless you, looks knackered. Enjoy your lunch, Ange.
Thank you, Janie.
I'll get the camera out your face now, mate. All right, so lunch is over. I am so full. That bread, oh my goodness me, that was way too good. I ate way too much. Anyway, a guest has just turned up, so Angie's had to shoot off and sort them out. Let me just quickly explain why I'm here and who Angie is and what on earth is going on. So Angie's a good friend of mine. She owns these woods. I think it's 7 acres. I'll put it on the screen if that's wrong. Her woods are just outside of Loo, the little seaside town that I live near to. And in her woods, she does Airbnb, so you can come and stay in a teepee or like a bell tent, that kind of thing. It's very cool. It's very off-grid. It's very roughy-tufty glamping. It's not your tweedledee glamping. It's really good fun. Beautiful woodland. And the reason that I've come today is because I don't know if you can see out that window, her woods are full of bluebells, and I wanted to get some footage of the bluebells and the sunshine in her woods. Although unfortunately I'm looking at the bluebells, I think I'm a week or two late to have filmed them at their absolute best, so that's a bit of a shame, but it's still going to be really pretty. So all her teepees and that are full of punters at the moment. A lot of them are off site at the moment, but there are people staying in them, so I can't give you a tour unfortunately inside any of the teepees, but I can certainly show you from the outside. And I will be coming back in the next month or two to stay here in one of the teepees and film a little promotional video for Angie, and obviously bring you guys along for the trip too. So I now need to try and waddle this big belly of mine up that hill. I've just realised I've got a coffee there and I haven't even had one sip of it yet. Goodness me. So yes, let me introduce you to Angie's beautiful woodland.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count.
So I'm just driving back from Angie's, which, how beautiful is that place? Holy moly. And I realised I forgot to tell you the most exciting thing that's happening in my world currently, and it involves you lot. So about maybe 6 weeks ago, I think, I had a video go a little bit viral, which is really exciting. It's a video I made last year for plantain salve, that stuff that you put on your skin if you get bites or scratches, that kind of thing. Anyway, it's kicked off. It's brought in a ton of new subscribers. It's earned me the most money I've ever earned out of YouTube ads, and like legit amount of money. I'm like, wow, okay. And with those new subscribers, it's had my subscriber count nudging up in the 9,000s. I was just checking YouTube while I was waiting for her, and I was up to 9,995 subscribers here on YouTube. So I put a shout out on Instagram. I put a shout out on my Facebook. So I am now just going to go and check, and I think I might have done it. But hang on, I'm going to have to switch you off because I'm filming this on my phone. I'm going to switch you guys off. I'm going to go and check. I'm so excited. I'll be right back. Oh my god, our internet at the moment is so bad. I can't check, so I still have no clue. How annoying. Every tourist season, because we're surrounded by campsites and holiday cottages and all sorts, our broadband, our Wi-Fi becomes horrendous. Last night Johnny did a speed test and it was 0.06 download. Like, I can't even explain. I mean, I couldn't even ask Google a question because there was just no internet. I actually went to bed at 9:30 last night because what else are you going to do when you got no internet? So I don't know, maybe I'm over 10,000 and maybe I'm not. I don't know. Right, I need to get cleared up from lunch, and then I think I might finally do this painting, which is very exciting. Oh, she's looking so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh, I love this fan so much. I'm so excited. I think I might, I was about to say I think I might go and book my campsite, but of course I got no internet. I can't do that. Grrr. I did it, people! I did it! Woohoo! So I've just come into the house on the laptop, 10,011 subscribers. Oh, that makes me so happy. Thank you, everybody. And if you're one of the new people, then I really appreciate your like. Thank you so much. And obviously, if you're one of my old timers, then thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really enjoy this platform. It's my favorite out of all the social medias and everything. I've just got to let a whingy cat out. Yes. So gosh, I've done it. 10,000. Yes. What do you reckon? Next step, 20,000 by the end of the year? What do you think? Right, I think I'm going to have a coffee to celebrate. Woohoo! So because I've now lost this cupboard to the fridge, this used to be like our wardrobe. This is where we'd stick all our clothes when we went away. So I've probably lost over half of my front storage in these seats to the fridge and to the electrics, which is fine. This van and this layout has so much storage that's cool. But it does mean that I've moved my bedding from being in a cupboard into cushions. So I just bought these beautiful teal velvet cushions. These were actually from Asda. I'm afraid I don't remember how much they were, but I absolutely love them. And they're massive. And inside these is where I'm keeping the blackout blinds for the sliding door and for the back door, and also my duvets. So I've got 2 single duvets. So when I kip in here on my own, I don't bother making up the full bed because I'm lazy. So what I'm going to do is pull this cushion off here, and that's just Velcroed onto the wall. Move that one over there, and then I'm going to tuck this duvet over these cushions, and then I can sleep on top of this. And place your bets whether I'm going to be too hot tonight as well. I'm also taking that one off just so it gives me that extra kind of leg room. Although to be fair, I'm a short ass, so I probably don't need that. I also bought some extra throw pillows, and come back. I kind of was planning to perhaps put clothes inside these, and I might still do that with a jumper or whatever, but at the moment these are just the normal cushion inserts. I'm not the kind of girl that likes throw pillows. I find them a pain in the ass when you've got to like throw all the cushions off the bed to get into bed. That's not my thing at all. But actually it's really nice to have squishy cushions in the van, and it all looked really quite sterile when it was just the grey seating. And John doesn't like the cat being on the bed. Actually, John won't allow the cat to sleep on our bed. So when I sleep in here, Sassy comes in with me and we snuggle up all night long, and it's so lovely. Wow. Oh, look at that gorgeous sunshine. So scrummy. I'm out of puff because I've just done 50 kettlebell swings as I was waiting for her to finish her dinner. Just got me all out of puff. Anyway, I think I'm going to sign off here, my lovelies, and I might just go and put a cheeky little movie on in Myrtle. I hope your world is safe and opening up and you're getting out adventuring, and I'd love to hear all about it. Let us know down in the comments before if you've been out camping or out in your van. I love to know what you guys are up to as well. So that's it, me, Sassy and Myrtle signing off. We'll catch up with you next week. Take care.